Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I am greatly appreciative. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description, and I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect if you live in an area that's going to get hurricanes, or you're basically wanting to have a device to help you out in a power outage, or maybe you go camping and you're looking to keep all your devices nice in charge. And because it is a portable power station, so this was sent over by a company called EBL. It's going to come in this box, and this is their P150 model, and basically that stands for it can hold up to 150 watt output. Once you open it up, you're going to get a little user manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. You are going to get a USB C-to-C cable here. You can utilize this to charge up the device or charge up your other device if it's connections to a Type-C port. So it's a two-way cable. You're also gonna get this little cigarette lighter here, which has the DC connection, but it also has a little adapter that you can plug in here, and then all of a sudden now you can utilize this for the Type-C. So you can also utilize this to charge up if you need to, if you're in your car or something, like I said, going camping. But as you can see, here is the device. It is super compact and nice and small. One of the reasons I like it, it is about 7 inches in wide. It's about 4¼ inches in depth and about 4½ inches in height. It has a nice little handle here. Once again, like I said, it's very lightweight, easy to carry around. This thing does have, though, a massive battery in it. It has a 48,000 mAh battery. It is a Life P04 battery. That's kind of the same batteries that they put in cars. And it has a 10-year shelf life as far as that battery and can be recharged multiple times. Now, on the front of the device, this is where you're gonna see where it has everything. So like I said, this is absolutely perfect if you're gonna go camping or you have a power outage, because it can charge up your phones, your tablets, your laptops, etc. On the side, you're going to have 2 DC out ports that you can utilize. In the middle, you're going to have 2 USB-A 3.0 ports. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to have your USB-C ports. These are rated for that 100 watt max output. Now, the whole device itself is rated up to that 150 watts. So if you have multiple things in here, there is a chip in here that's going to basically determine what the output should be for all the various devices. But if you have just one item plugged in the Type-Cs, it can do that 100 out, which is going to cover most of your laptops out there and your phones and all your tablets and all that stuff. It's got those built-in QC 3.0 protocols, which is that fast charging protocols in there. So very useful. Once you turn it on, there's going to be a nice little digital screen here. It's going to give you your input in wattages and your output in wattages, so you know exactly what you're utilizing. And then in the middle, it's going to give you your percentage of your battery life. So the more devices you plugged in here, you'll see that go down and just gives you an exact snapshot of how much battery is left on the device itself. Now, once again, great for emergencies and camping because it has this light on the back side. So just a standard light. It's a nice warm light. Go ahead and press it again, and now it's a flashing light. So if you have this and you're looking for help or emergency, you can do that. And then you can also hit it again and it goes into an SOS mode. So you can utilize that as well. But last time we'll turn it off. But once again, great little device, very lightweight. It only weighs about 3.9 or 4 pounds in here. So very light, easy to carry around. So if you are looking for a great portable power station, this one's totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.